Heyo, rookies! Andi here, back with a LioranBoard video, and again, something that I've made today. So this is a welcome message, as you're seeing on screen right now. It comes up with the user's profile picture, their name, and also a randomized welcome message. I mean, this is pretty powerful and fully customizable, so you can do anything you want with it, put whatever messages you want on there. Super simple to install and edit, so let's just get on with it. Hopefully, if I do help you out, make sure you do like the video. It'll help with the YouTube algorithm, and also subscribe, because I've got tons of stuff that I'm giving away, and little tips and tricks and stuff like that to send your streams to the next level. And come on, I think 88% of you are now not subscribed, so come on, hit that button, help a brother out. Alright, let's get on with it. Put your rock over the stone, let's go. Right, so similar to my previous video on the Noughts and Crosses game that I created, and it's free download, you can get that just up here. There is a few things that we need to get installed first. Obviously, if you're watching this, you're using OBS Studio because you're a streamer, and I'm hoping that you've got LioranBoard. If not, you can get it straight on the OBS website. All the links are in the description down below. But you will need a plugin for OBS as well called Move Transition. I've done loads of videos on this, so if you do want to see anything and how that works, definitely check out my video just up there as well. Exceldro's made this plugin. It's probably the best plugin for OBS. It just adds so much more dynamic to your streams, which is awesome. And as soon as you've got all them installed, make sure you've closed OBS when installing it. Otherwise, you might run into a couple of headaches, okay? So, first things first, I've actually given you a folder of all the files that you'll need. So, in the Andi Lippy's welcome message just here, you want to install this font. This is the font that I've got set up for everything. I mean, you can use whatever font you want, but if you want it to look the way that I've got it, that's the font that you're going to do. Just hit install, and that'll get all installed. Make sure OBS is shut, okay, guys? And inside here, we've got two different folders. We've got Andi Lippy style welcome message. That's a proper Yorkshire one, because I'm from Yorkshire, and we proper, talk like this. How's it going on, then? Is there all right? So that's the sort of welcome messages that you're going to get. Or you got traditional, hi there. Hi there, hey there, ho 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 there, you know what I'm saying. And that's fully editable, so you can put whatever welcome messages you want in there. So once that is installed, we need to head into OBS. We need to create a new scene. So this scene is going to be exactly like this. OSE, that stands for on-screen elements. And Andi Lippy's walk-in message. You can copy this directly from the PDF guide that I've created, so you don't make any spelling mistakes or any typeface, because it's got to be exactly the same way. If this installation doesn't work for you, it's because there's probably a spelling mistake somewhere or an extra space that doesn't need to be there. And once that's done, we need to create three sources. The first one we're going to make is a browser source, just here, and this one's going to be brackets walk-in, all capital, pick with a capital P without a space, just like so. Just hit enter, go to next. That's fine. You can leave everything absolutely blank, and then we're going to create two text sources. So this one is going to be walk-in again. The reason why I put these brackets at the beginning is just to keep things organized a little bit in OBS. We're going to have username with a capital U. Just hit enter again and close that down. Create another text source. This one's going to be walk-in, and then message. Oh, see, that would have not worked if I would have done that. Hit enter again. That's done. So now you need to decide which version of this you're going to use. Are you going to use my version or the traditional version? I'm going to show you the traditional version to start off. We've got two config files here. So welcome messages and configs.x. We're just going to copy both of them. And then we need to put them into our LioranBoard folder, which in your LioranBoard folder, you'll have LioranBoard receiver. We're going to paste it directly into there. You'll have a list of config files in there that will be configs. It'll start with just configs, then configs 1 to however many. You need to replace the X with whatever number is next available in your config set. So I actually haven't got any config files at the moment, so I can just leave it as configs just there. And once that's done, that's pretty much it. Everything's installed. We just need to run the installation process to kind of set everything up. We just double click on LioranBoard receiver, open it up, connect it to OBS. Might take a second. I'm going to connect it to Twitch as well, just so everything's connected. And this is the walk-in message just here. So you can have a little look at the code. As always with all my code, I do leave all the comments in so you can learn a little bit of how I've made it work, and you can edit it and make it your own, or just come up with stuff. And definitely send me some stuff, tweet at me, whatever you want, get in the Discord, share what you're creating, because I'm loving the stories that you guys have got. I might be doing a special episode where I showcase the things that I've kind of taught you and how you've kind of developed on it, so stick around for that. Obviously subscribe. Hit done on this. We're going to open the LioranBoard Stream Deck now. So LioranBoard Stream Deck PC. Open this bad boy up just so we can control it. Connect to that. My ports might be a little bit different to you because I've run 2 versions of it. Don't ask, it's a headache. So all you need to do to install is tap here to install. As if by magic, it runs through the install like that, and it'll just disappear. And that's done. That's done everything. If we right click on here, you'll see, if you want to double check, you've got all the filters just here. They're all set up. Everything's done. Doesn't matter what canvas size you're on or anything like that. It just works, okay? Like, I know, I've made something that just works. Now what we can do is, as long as we've connected to Twitch and everything like that, if I just click off that a second, go to my Twitch chat and type in hi. This is going to be for any first message. Just here, and you'll see profile picture comes up, and it says, Andi Lippy, how do you do? And then it'll all transition off together. So that is a simple message. If you're wanting to create your own messages in there, to do that, we need to go to your folder, go into LioranBoard, the LioranBoard receiver, and you see where it's welcome messages. We want to right click that and either open it with Notepad or Notepad++, whatever you want to use. I'm going to open it with Notepad, and you'll see here welcome message, and you'll have 1 equals and then in brackets whatever. So if I put 4 equals hey there, that'd be another message. I can do 5 equals sup chief. Again, these are all awful. 6 equals, and I can keep going and going and going. Hit save, Control S, that'll save that config file to there. Close that down. Go into LioranBoard receiver and go to the walk-in message at the bottom here. Right click it, press edit commands, and then further down, if you keep going down, you'll get to where I've gone past it already. Here we go. Comment, pull welcome message. Change max value to highest number in welcome messages.ini. So the one that we've just been in, this welcome messages just here, you can see the maximum number is 5. So I'm going to close that down and change this 3 to 5 just there. Hit done, and then that will work. If I just reset this so I can actually put in another message, you should see, hopefully it'll be randomized, and it will be one that we've just put in just now. Touch wood. I've not reset. There we go. It's a bit delayed there. Hi there. There we go. And I'll reset again. Once that's done, reset it again. Do another test. Sup, Chief. So that was our new message just in there, as you've just seen. So that is a free welcome message that I've created. Make it personalized using their profile picture. So hopefully it'll make your streams look a little bit better. Please, if you edit the code or anything like that, please show me what you do. I love what you guys are coming up with at the moment, and let's just keep pushing forward and innovating on Twitch and just changing the game. Like, this is groundbreaking, guys. Keep it up, okay? But as always, make sure you do like the video if I have helped you out or you've learned something, and also subscribe. It'll mean the world and help us keep moving forward and creating better ideas, okay, guys? If you need any help, come and join us in the Discord, or come and visit me at twitch.tv/Andi Lippy. I'm live most days when I'm not at work, and yeah, you know how it rolls. All right, enough talking. In a bit, see you next one. Put your rock for the stone.